Hello viewers, finally Apple has released iPhone 15 series globally. With the launch, a lot of new things have been included. A good number of people want to buy iPhone 15 this year. There are some major changes in iPhone 15. For the first time, iPhone 15 is getting dynamic island. This feature was available in Pro series. At the back, there is 48 megapixel main sensor. It is powered by A16 Bionic chipset with 4nm technology. But apart from dynamic island, the display is only 60 Hz. There is no 90 Hz or 120 Hz. There is the first time Type-C port that you can get with iPhone 15 and other models. Various iPhone colors are available along with this new launch. Apart from dynamic island, there is nothing new in the display. This is the same 60 Hz display that you get on iPhone 14. This is a downgrade according to me, because whenever you are charging 80,000 rupees for a smartphone and you are giving only 60 Hz display, you should have given at least 90 Hz refresh rate. In order to get the 120 Hz refresh rate display, you should move to iPhone 15 or 15 Pro Max. For the first time, non-Pro models get the 48 megapixel camera. The performance of the cameras will be very good. This time you can get 4x optical zoom with the 48 megapixel sensor. All the three cameras are capable of shooting videos at 4K 60 fps. This year iPhone 15 will come in red, yellow, green, blue and black. This year Apple has not mentioned the capacity of batteries iPhone 15 has, though it will be as much as iPhone 14's battery and it will give you a full day's battery life. The price difference between iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus is about 10,000 rupees. iPhone 15 is available at a price point of 79,900 rupees, whereas iPhone 15 is available at a price point of 89,900 rupees. And if you apply HDFC credit card, you will get 5,000 rupees cashback, that is instant cashback. So the effective price will be around 75,000 rupees in launch offers. This year iPhone 14 will be available at a price point of around 50,000 rupees. So the difference of price between iPhone 14 and 15 is about 25,000 rupees. After spending 25,000 rupees more, you are getting dynamic island, Type-C port and 48 megapixel camera and A16 Bionic chipset. Apart from these things, you are not getting anything new. So if you want to save your money, you can go for iPhone 14. That is also a very good device considering the price point it will come down to. What's your thought regarding iPhone 15's price? Let me know in the comment sections below. In the upcoming days, I will post some videos regarding iPhone 15's camera. And if you are new in the channel, please subscribe the channel to support the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.